Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Xiaomi TV and confirming it's on the home screen. This ensures settings are accessible. Next, make sure your phone or PC and the TV use the same Wi-Fi band because cast discovery requires a shared network. Once done, open the TV settings and enable cast, wireless display, or miracast so the TV becomes discoverable. This first step removes connectivity barriers early and prepares both devices to find each other immediately. Now you initiate the cast from your phone or computer. On Android, swipe down and tap cast or screen mirroring. On iPhone, use AirPlay if the TV supports it, or use an app that supports casting. On PC, use Chromecast. Then you select the Xiaomi TV name shown in the device list so the two devices negotiate a connection. Make sure to accept any pairing code that appears on the TV. This confirms you control the session and prevents accidental connections. To finish, verify the image fits and audio routes to the TV. If scaling is off, change display resolution or screen size in your source device so content displays correctly. If connection drops or the TV is not discovered, restart the router, power cycle the TV and the source device, and try again. This clears network caches. Also make sure TV firmware and your casting app are up to date, because updates fix compatibility issues. If problems persist, use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.